Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. It's been a little bit rainy across parts of middle Georgia. Not necessarily everywhere seeing that shower activity for tonight, but on our radar we are seeing a few pockets of some moderate rainfall building in already. And this is just kind of the starter, the appetizer of the rain as we are moving into the end of the week and the weekend. But right now, seeing a few pockets where that yellow is of some moderate rainfall. So more rain on the way overnight tonight. This once again looking out on our 41 sky view from Piedmont-Macon Medical Centers where we have mostly light rain. It's been a lot of drizzle going on for this evening, but check out these temperatures today. 75 degrees. 82 is the record for this date, set in 1957. So not quite up there, but temperatures very warm. As we head into tomorrow, we are going to see our temperatures really cooling throughout the day. In Atlanta, they're already down to 54 degrees, so you can kind of see where that cold front is right now. 63 here in Macon and 57 over in Montgomery. So once we get those 50s in here, we're really going to start to see mostly just some light rain in, and that's going to continue into tomorrow. In general, what we're watching as we head into the overnight hours, you can see a few of those thunderstorms in parts of South Alabama. That's headed our way, but it does look like it's going to run into some lower instability by the time it gets here. So I'm expecting maybe a couple rumbles of thunder, but probably not seeing any severe weather as that starts to push in. This will increase our rainfall totals, though, overnight. You can see on our Stormcast how we continue to see the off and on shower activity, but really through the day tomorrow is where we're going to start to add up a lot of those rainfall totals. So make sure that you grab the umbrella as you are heading out tomorrow. That cold front is going to be stalling pretty much right over our area, which does mean we'll see the potential for a few thunderstorms as we are heading into tomorrow afternoon. I'll have a look at our severe weather threat in just a minute, but you do continue to see that chance for rain all the way through Saturday. So heavy rain will be possible there as well. Now, as far as that severe weather threat for tomorrow, it's going to stay mainly south of Dublin. You can see it's mostly a damaging wind threat, although there's just enough shear out there that we can't rule out the chance for a brief spin-up tornado. But we're going to keep an eye on it for tomorrow. Right now, once again, the threat is very low, just a level 1, mainly south of Dublin. So a closer look at what we're expecting overnight tonight. Once again, very scattered activity for this evening as we start to see some of that cooler air work its way in. That front's probably going to be down around the Dublin area by early tomorrow morning, around 9 or so, and then we're going to see that push all the way through by the afternoon. So after that, severe threat's really going to wind down. We will continue to see that potential for shower activity overnight, and really it looks like Friday night into Saturday is probably going to be a pretty big rain one for all of us. So just kind of hunker down, get ready for more of this rain all the way through the weekend. Also of note, though, as we're heading into Sunday, we're going to watch this cutoff low. This is going to come down from the jet stream and just hang out with us here in the southeast. What that's going to do, it's going to increase our uplift. Also, it's going to bring some cold air in the upper levels down closer to the surface. And what does that mean for us? Well, it's actually going to interact with a lot of the moisture that we're going to see from a stationary boundary that's down here in the Gulf. So we're going to add in that moisture. We're going to bring in some cold air, and you can see by Sunday morning, maybe we're talking about a little bit of a wintry mix moving into parts of middle Georgia. So lots of question marks on this. I'm just letting you know it's a possibility. That being said, our temperatures through the afternoon on Sunday will be warming back into the 50s, so we shouldn't see any really big impacts from that kind of winter weather, just maybe a little bit of fun flakes mixing in with some rainfall. Otherwise, expect to see anywhere from 1 to 4 or 5 inches of rainfall between now and Sunday afternoon, so just get ready for it. In just 10 seconds, I'll look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's volumechevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. We are going to see things much cooler as we are heading into the weekend. 58 degrees for tomorrow, 52 degrees by Saturday. Once again, there is the possibility for a wintry mix by Sunday morning. Still a lot of question marks on that one, but we are going to warm up pretty nicely for next week. One dry day, that's going to be Monday, but rain returns Tuesday evening and hangs out with us through next week.